Foxconn may invest $700 million in an iPhone factory in India, and crypto bank Silvergate sees a client exodus. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Farrage. Foxconn is reportedly planning to invest $700 million to build a factory in Karnataka, significantly expanding the production of Apple's smartphones in India. Indian officials have claimed that Apple wants to shift 25% of its manufacturing to the country amid concerns about China. Bloomberg reports that Foxconn is planning to build near Bengaluru, India's IT hub, where it will manufacture iPhone components and may also assemble the devices. The factory will employ 100,000 people. Silvergate Bank is losing customers as major crypto firms halt transfers via its Silvergate exchange network. The client exodus began Thursday morning following the company's announcement that it would review its ability to remain in business. Silvergate shares lost more than half their value yesterday. The crypto bank's problems stem from last year's decline in the crypto markets, which led many clients to pull back from digital assets. Also, the Justice Department is reportedly investigating Silvergate's relationship with the failed FTX exchange. Oil prices fell today despite signs of China's recovery after posting growth in its manufacturing activity. Both Brent and WTI have been volatile this week. China's manufacturing activity expanded at the fastest pace in more than a decade in February, reinforcing expectations of a fuel demand recovery. The Caixin China General Services Purchasing Managers Index showed a jump in activity with a reading of 55 in February, up from 52.9 in January. Lufthansa Group returned to annual profit in 2022 after 2 years of losses. Its fortunes were lifted by rebounding demand as economies reopened after COVID shutdowns. The group reported a net profit of $839 million for last year. This compares to a net loss of $2.3 billion in 2021. Lufthansa Group also includes Eurowings, Austrian, Swiss, and Brussels Airlines. It says 102 million passengers flew with its airlines in 2022, more than twice as many than 2021. German exports rebounded in January after sharp declines in recent months, with shipments to all major trading partners rising. Europe's top economy exported goods worth $138.5 billion, a 2.1% rise on the previous month. But economists say the increase isn't enough to offset a sharp drop in shipments in December. They say in the very near term, the ongoing weakening of export order books, the expected U.S. economic slowdown, inflation, and uncertainty will dampen German exports. Let's take a look now at today's Forbes Real-Time Billionaires ranking. It tracks the daily ups and downs of the world's richest people. Our biggest winner today is Gautam Adani after GQG Partners pumped $1.87 billion into 4 Adani Group companies. He gained $5.4 billion today and now has net wealth of $43.3 billion. Our second biggest winner is LVMH's Bernard Arnault, up $5.5 billion with net wealth of $213.6 billion. And our third place winner is L'Oreal's Francois Bettencourt Myers, up $1.9 billion with net wealth of $81.3 billion. Check out our website and our social media for all of the latest Billionaires news. I'm Ramia Farrage. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.